Hey guys, this is just a continuation of the PD that we did on Friday, just detailing out the specific aspects of making a form using Google Forms that adds both content in the form of a picture, video, or text, and contains questions to check for student understanding. To enter the form, there's a few best practices that you might want to follow to help make your student forms the most successful that they can be. One is your first question should be the student's name. While you can look up the student's ID number because it will be attached to the submission, it's much easier to add their name on when you're grading. The other item that you may want to do is make all of your questions required. The first thing that I'm going to go over is adding a section of content text. The first thing that you should note is there are a series of 6 dots at the top of all of your questions. You can use these dots to move around the questions and put them in the right order, because I find when I add, like for instance, when I add a text chunk, it winds up below the question and I have to move it above. So in order to add a text chunk, you're going to hit the TT button. And it's going to say add title and description. What it does is literally brings up this box right here, and it says title and description, but here you're going to type the title of the text chunk, and here's where you copy and paste the text or type the text content that you want to use. All right. The next thing is adding pictures for content. This is pretty simple. You're going to click when you open up your new question into this add image box over here on the right. That's going to bring up a box like this, and you have several options here. You can upload, you can search or paste a URL, you can load a picture from your Google Drive, or you can do a fresh Google image search. After you select the photo you want, it's going to pop up something like this. Depending on the size of the photo, you may have to resize it. And you can title it here. And again, you're probably going to need to move where your question is using your 3 dots to make sure that everything appears in the right order. Adding videos. This is almost the easiest one. Down here, you click the Add Video button, and it brings up a box just like the Pictures for Content box. You search what you want on YouTube, and you add it either by doing a fresh search or already having a URL previously picked out. And that's really it. It's pretty simple. You can make forms for pretty much any content, and I'm just trying to see what people come up with. So on Tuesday, we'll be talking about how to do screenshots specifically, how to add things to the form that are trickier, and even going through the specific processes here of adding text and adding video if you need more help. Thursday, I hope to spend more time talking about or looking at what you guys are doing and seeing how we're coming along. And that's with either this form activity or doing Google Screencasts. And again, I can help you with either on either day. So come on down at 8 a.m. I'll send out a link for the meeting either early in the morning or late tonight. All right. Thanks. Have a great day.